Hey, this is Charlene Bond of Prolific Expressions Web Design, and today I'm going to show you how to add options to your products using WordPress and WooCommerce. So let's get started. As you can see, I have an e-commerce website here, and what we're going to do is we are going to um, make it so that the t-shirts when a customer is um, looking to purchase a t-shirt, they will be able to select their size and also select what color they want that t-shirt in. So once you get logged in, you want to make sure you go to your WordPress dashboard, and under dashboard, go to products and attributes. We're going to add two options for attributes here. We're going to add color and we're going to add size. Once those two attributes are added, we are going to select Configure Terms, and we're going to be specific to the color choices that we want for our specific product. So for our example, I want to make sure I include the color blue, the color orange, pink, purple, white, and red. Okay. Now we're going to go back to our attributes and we're going to do the same for the size attribute. For sizes, I want small, medium, large. Extra large. I'm going to put XL for extra large. Then we're going to put 2XL also. Now, I also want to change these around. So we're just going to drag small up, medium, large, extra large, and the 2XL. Okay. Now back at attributes, we see that we have our color and our size added and the terms small, medium, large, blue, orange, pink. Those are our options. Next, we're going to go to products. And under products, we're going to select a shirt. For this example, I'm going to select the blue shirt. Now, instead of calling this blue t-shirt, we are going to rename it. So the style and design on this shirt says all natural. So we're going to call this shirt, you got it, all natural. We're going to select update. We're also going to change the URL to all natural t-shirt. Now, as we can see, as we scroll down, the product data, it automatically defaults to simple product. But now that we have our attributes for color and size, we want to select variable product. And we need to add the attributes that we just set up. So we're going to add color, and then we're going to add size. Now, where it says values, we're going to add all the colors. So blue, orange, pink, purple, red, and white. And we're going to do the same for size. We want to add the small, medium, large, extra large, 2XL. Now we want to make sure that we check visible on the product page for the options here for color and size, and we also want to make sure we check use for variations, because we want to be sure that we use these for the different options. Next, we select Save Attributes. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to select variations. And from the drop down here, we're going to select Create Variations from All Attributes. And this feature is really neat because once we select Go, it will create and run all the possible combinations between the color and the sizes. So a small red shirt, a medium red shirt, small blue shirt, medium blue shirt. It will just create every possible attribute. So that's what we're going to do. And as you can see, it says 30 variations added. Now that all the variations are added, I want to make sure I add the photos for the specific color choice. And so I'm going to select, as you can see, I just clicked on the blue one and it dropped down. We're going to select the image for blue. And we're going to do these individually. And then you'll also do the same for the other colors. Now, another thing that we want to do is we want to make sure we have the price selected for each product. And so we're going to put this as $31.99. I'm just going to copy it and paste it for all of these shirts. Now that we have that set up and our changes are saved, if you haven't select Save Changes, go ahead and select that button and make sure everything is saved. You can also do Update here just for extra insurance to insurance to make sure that everything is saved. Then we're going to select the link. And now you see we have a color option with our colors, blue, orange, pink, purple. And we also have the sizing options. Now, if we go back to our dashboard, let's see. I'm going to make a quick edit here. I see the link change did not change. I don't think it changed. Let's double check. So go to products, all natural. Okay, no, it did not change. So we're going to make this all natural t-shirt. Select OK and then hit update. All right, perfect. It's saved now. Now another thing I want to show you is how to add to your product gallery. So now that we have the colors under one product, we want to make sure we have a gallery showing what those colors look like for that specific shirt. And so we're just going to add images to the product. We're going to select all of these images here. So I have our blue, purple, pink, and white, and the orange. We hit update. Okay, now we can see our orange, the pink, purple, and white. Then we can also see the sizes that we put as well. And so that is how you add options to your products in WordPress using WooCommerce. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it has, please let me know. Also, you can leave any comments um, or suggestions that you need help with in the comments below. And yeah, I really hope this helped you.